Are you a Shopify store owner and you have your own stock? Do you have high quality products? Are you struggling to increase your sales and find dropshippers? Have you ever thought about becoming a supplier by allowing other dropshippers to resell your stock? I have great news for you, because Thinky has an easy solution that allows you to turn your Shopify store into a dropshipping business. You can integrate your own Shopify stock into the Thinky Supplier Exchange, which is a directory of suppliers offered for thousands of registered Shopify users. Let me show you how to list your Shopify business in the Supplier Exchange. First of all, you need to install Thinky for free of charge from the App Store. Just click on the Add App button. You need to log into Thinky and go to Product Export. Here click on Add New Task and name your task, and add the store that you would like to integrate into the Thinky Supplier Exchange. In the Destination step, choose the Thinky Supplier Exchange listing, which will enable you to integrate your stock directly into the supplier list, where you can sell to other Shopify merchants. Thinky automatically connects your product data with the Thinky Supplier Exchange system, so you don't have to do anything here in this step. Just go at the bottom of the page and click on the Next button. In the Filter step, you can choose which products you would like to list from your store based on certain criteria like product type, price, or inventory quantity. You can also choose which vendors' products you would like to integrate into the Supplier Exchange. You can choose to integrate only those products that have an image in your store. Click on the Next button to move on. You need to know that in the Thinky Supplier Exchange, all of the suppliers have wholesale price for their products. So if you would like to, in the pricing step you can decrease your street prices with a fixed amount of money or with a certain percentage to create your wholesale price. For example, I will decrease my prices with 50%, and then I will round all of my prices ending with 0. In the final step, you will see a pop-up application form that you need to fill out with all of the required information like shipping location and shipping time and all the other company information which are necessary for the listing. After you are done with all of these settings, our team will receive your application and we will review it within a few days and get back to you with an answer. Let me show you how this looks like in real life, how your new retailers will see your company. In the Supplier Exchange menu, you can see the directory of suppliers who are already partnering with us, whose products can be imported into Shopify's merchant store using Thinky's technology. Be the next one to be featured in the Supplier Exchange.